I've come here this morning on behalf of President William Ruto, an alumni of this great prestigious institution of his own kind, to bring his condolences and that of the government of the Republic of Kenya. And I too and my family, I want to come and say pole to the school fraternity for the loss of your teacher and one student. And again, for those who have suffered injuries, I am very encouraged that those at the Eldoret Hospital are making good progress. And we have been assured that they are out of danger. And we are sure that they'll be back to school. Losing a life of a teacher, student is a very heavy thing, especially for a family like this one, because you are one great family. We are praying for you, for God to give you strength, to give you fortitude, to come to terms with the sad reality of losing a teacher who has been dear to you, of losing a student who is one of you. And we trust that our prayers will be heard by God to give you that strength. And even as we prepare to bury the teacher and the student, we shall give the support that is required. We continue to hold you in prayer so that you can be able to go through that very difficult stage. I've been told about the bus that has been written off, and I want to give a commitment on behalf of President William Ruto. I'll talk to him later in the day, and I'm sure there is no doubt that the President will give you another bus to replace that one. Again, we take this opportunity to appeal to all our drivers and other road users to exercise care and vigilance on our roads, and more so those who drive our buses for schools. Mine is to encourage you to continue working hard, to continue being focused, and to have an ambition that one day you stand where I'm standing.
Na